I'm Sandra Baiju, graduate student in Professor Paul Whitford's group at Department of Physics and Center for Theoretical and Biological Physics, Northeastern University. Visual Molecular Dynamics, or VMD, is a powerful three-dimensional visualization software capable of visualizing extremely large biomolecules. It also includes a TCL-based scripting interface. This tutorial shows how to download and install Visual Molecular Dynamics or VMD program on a Mac OS machine. VMD software can be freely downloaded from their web page as shown. To do so, select the Download VMD option. This page shows the list of all available versions of VMD specific to each operating system. Choose the available version of VMD specific to your Mac operating system. Provide a username and password to continue with downloading. And agree to the terms of the license. Again, select the VMD version for your Mac OS. Now moving to the Downloads folder, we have the downloaded VMD disk image. Click to open the disk image. To install VMD on your machine, move the VMD application from the disk image to the Applications folder on your Mac. Let us try to open the VMD app. At this stage, macOS will block VMD since the app developer is unverified by Mac. To grant permission to open the app, choose Apple menu, System Preferences, Security and Privacy, General. Click to unlock. Current setting allows only identified developers. Click Open Anyway to allow VMD. Click Open to open VMD program. Also, make sure to log back your settings. For now, let's quit VMD as well as eject the disk image and try to relaunch VMD from Mac Launchpad. If VMD was successfully installed, it opens with three default windows: the VMD main window, VMD display, and VMD console. Thank you for your interest.